So here's another amazing yet vital video we're going to have for you today about, well, the inside of our brain. We're going to find out what are the 10 best foods to boost brain power and improve your memory. And I promise I won't make a food for thought pun, but I really want to. This is my compromise. So anyways, starting with the video. Our relationship with our food is the path to an improved body and mind. Food being the source of all of our energy needs is an essential part of sustaining human lives. As they say, we are what we eat, and we need to emphasize the proper sources. Several types of research show brain food that also protects your heart and blood vessels, so that's like a double win to me, right? Well, the good news is numerous common foods contain these, so we don't really have to hustle to improvise them into our lifestyles. And yeah, let's get further into it. Let's take a bite of this pun. God. No, we're not talking about like the chubby fishes devoured on our plates. We're talking about the molecular component regarded as the brain food. Here, top of the list of our top 10, emerging as the winner, omega-3 fatty acids is the component we're going to be talking about for this section. So fishes like trout, tuna, sardines, and salmon are among the richest source of it. But what is it that makes omega-3 fatty acids so unique? Well, I'm glad you asked. It's lecture time. Fat makes up over 60% of the human brain's weight, with omega-3 fatty acids accounting for half of the total fat. These omega-3s are used by our brain to generate nerve cells and brain cells, which are essential for memory and learning. So could you do us a little favor and like this video? Make sure to subscribe and channel and hit the bell icon and all that good stuff. Alright, moving on. Coffee. The highlight of our grumpy mornings. We're pretty glad to hear that they're also genuinely pretty good for our body. So our cup of coffee contains two components, caffeine and antioxidants, both of which are reported to support the health of our brain. Meanwhile, caffeine is solely responsible for several positive effects on the human brain, and some of which including sharpened concentration. Several studies have concluded that consuming caffeine leads to improved attention and alertness. Improved mood. Intake of caffeine also improves our feel-good hormones like dopamine and serotonin, working on beating away them blues with chemicals. To top it all off, the long-term consumption of coffee is linked to a dramatic reduction in the risks of many neurological diseases like Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Our berry farm, yes, that's right, I'm a berry farmer, get used to it. Our berry farm has a lot more to deliver than just some red and blue deliciousness. Blueberries and other deep-colored berries are packed with a special group of compounds, namely anthocyanin, which provides us with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Oh no, big word alert. Don't worry, close your new tab, you don't gotta look nothing up. Antioxidants, what exactly are they? What's all that hype about? Well, I guess we could get to know a little more about it. Antioxidants are basically the agents that act against the brain aging conditions like inflammation and oxidative stress. And that's all we're gonna tell you, so you might want to reopen that Google page. The deep yellow spice has been creating a lot of buzzes lately. We're pretty familiar with it as a key ingredient to several curry powders and recipes, but as surprising as it sounds, the spice also holds a lot of benefits to our brain. One of the active ingredients of turmeric, curcumin, has been studied and proved to enter the brain directly, hence crossing the blood-brain barrier, benefiting the cells without any ado. And we're also already aware that turmeric is a strong anti-inflammatory compound and a potential antioxidant, so let's take a look at the goodwill. It helps new brain cells grow. It contains a neurotrophic factor, a known type of growth hormone that is boosted several folds by curcumin. They promote brain cell growth and happen to delay age-related mental decline. Possibly a memory booster. Curcumin may improve memory in Alzheimer's patients, as they might clear amyloid plaques, which are a crucial feature of this disease. In easing depression, curcumin reportedly boosts dopamine and serotonin, eventually improving our mood to beat them Monday blues away, or everyday blues, depending on who you are. Many studies also found curcumin readily improves depression symptoms and anxiety along with the medication. So adding a few pinches of turmeric to your food would, taste pretty good, and not only that, it's gonna make your mood and your body better. It's magic. Just stuff it in your mouth, please. Le chocolate, a beloved delicacy. Who doesn't love chocolate? And I think it's pretty common knowledge that chocolate's damn good for you. As tempting as it is for our taste buds, it's, again, also really good for Mr. Brain. Both dark chocolate and cocoa powder are nutritiously packed with a few brain-boosting chemical compounds like antioxidants, flavonoids, and caffeine. Dark chocolate has about 70% or more cocoa content, which topples a few extra benefits when compared to a regular milk chocolate bar, which contains 10 to 15% cocoa content. Talking about flavonoids, they're a group of plant-derived antioxidant compounds. They tend to gather in brain areas dealing with learning and memory. Researchers also suggest that they slow down age-related mental decline and are legitimate mood boosters, so excuses are pretty good to throw in an extra bar of dark chocolate wherever we go, so yeah, you have full authority from this video to just buy all the chocolate. I mean, eggs are kinda like super celebrities in the food world, right? Maybe I just really like eggs, I don't know. But they're really well known as a good source of protein, and having a die-hard fan following led by the gym freaks, eggs are also packed in with many other beneficial compounds like vitamin B6, B12, folates, choline, etc. Wait a minute. What in the WTF, wow, I'm so relevant, is choline? Choline is one of the vital micronutrients that our body utilizes to create a neurotransmitter known as acetylcholine. It helps to regulate both our memory and our mood. So, eating eggs is a pretty easy way to intake choline, as egg yolks are one of the richest sources of choline. Talking about folate, its deficiency is very common in old people suffering from dementia, and folic acid supplements help to minimize the mental decline. Next up in line is vitamin B12, thoroughly packed in producing brain chemicals and also promoting sugar level regulation in our brain. Vitamin B6 has a lot to do for our body's immune system. They help create a stronger immunity and also maintain the number of amino acids in our body. So, the most scientific question I have left for you all. How do you like your eggs? I personally love a good scramble. Put it in the comment section below. Oh my god, let's talk about it. A healthy breakfast idea, our humble oatmeal, has found its much-deserved place on our list. This soluble fiber is known as a pack of energy pushing us to take on the day, but here's a surprise again for you. They've got a role in brain health too, enabling us to concentrate further and focus sharply. A big bowl of whole grain oatmeal as part of our regular intake promotes brain power. Do you want to have telekinesis? Eat some oats. They're an excellent source of vitamin E, vitamin B complex, and zinc. They're rightly said as brain fuels, and they're packed with that familiar substance choline, satisfying the brain hunger too. It is one of the best sources of long-lasting energy. And now for the taste bud priority list. We can never forget the fact that oatmeals are huge, and they come in a huge variety, so opting for one that suits your type and taste is a great way to lean for an energy-packed breakfast idea that you actually like to eat. Yay! Pumpkin seeds may never have been on your plate before, or it might just not be one of your favorites. Either way, seeds are kind of a crucial deal for our Mr. Brains, or Mrs. Brains. I am not sexist. Yeah, you heard it right. Pumpkin seeds comprise powerful antioxidants, a rich source of iron, zinc, magnesium, and copper, protecting our bodies and brain from free radical damage. So, let's take a look at what the nutrients have to say. Hi, I'm zinc, and I'm the element that's crucial for nerve signaling, and its deficiency is linked to dreaded neurological conditions like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's diseases. And that's the last one I'm going to do that bit for. Magnesium is vital for memory, learning, depression, migraine, and epilepsy results in its deficiency. Copper helps to control nerve signals, causes high risk of neurological disorders, and when it's deficient in our bodies. And it was the name of my first dog. Nuts have been driving us nuts with their yummy taste and posing as a healthy alternative for unhealthy snacks, but studies show it to be not just improving for heart health, but further linking it to a healthy brain, which just made it a lot more wholesome and nutty and delicious and punny. Nutrients like vitamin E, healthy fats, and antioxidants are beneficial. Nuts host a lot of brain-boosting nutrients and have a lot of extra edge to deliver anti-inflammatory omega-3s. And it just made it all a lot better for me, at least. So, go and plunge your fist into a bag full of nuts and shove them into your mouths if you want a healthy body and a healthy mind. Put them in your mouth, god dang it. Vitamin C screams when we think of citrus fruits like oranges, limes, and lemons, the key factor in preventing mental decline. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. It supports brain health and protects us against conditions like major depression, schizophrenia, and etc. So, chug down a glass of fresh orange juice every single day, as one medium orange holds enough vitamin C required in the day. Except, also, maybe just get it from an orange, because orange juice is a very concentrated source of sugar, and it's generally not actually healthy to drink orange juice. Just eat an orange. And some other sources are guava, kiwi, tomatoes, and strawberries. Don't forget to include those in your meals too. Did you find this video helpful? Did you find it to be bogus? Are you a health nut that's like, let me see if they're right, and we're wrong? Let us know. Anything. Whatever you got, throw it at us. Let us know in the comment section below. And also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for future videos. See you guys later.